In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vision board using Miro. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Miro's website. So open up your web browser and type in miro.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to look for the login button. It should be right there on the home page. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you'll have to sign in. You have two options here. You can either use your email or, if you find it more convenient, log in with your Google account. Whichever option you choose, follow the prompts and enter your credentials to access your Miro dashboard. For those opting to sign in with an email, make sure to click on Continue with Email to complete the process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Miro dashboard. From here, look for the option labelled Explore Templates. This is where all of Miro's pre-designed templates are stored, making it much easier to kickstart your vision board. In the template library, there's a search feature that will come in handy. Simply type in Vision Board in the search bar and hit enter. This will filter out all the templates, leaving you with only the ones designed specifically for vision boards. Scan through the options, and when you find the template that speaks to you, select it. Click on Use Template to bring it into your workspace. Now that you have your template open, it's time to customize it according to your vision. Miro provides lots of flexibility with its customization options, so you can really make this space your own. Add images, change background colors, insert text blocks, whatever you feel will best represent your goals and aspirations. The vision board is meant to be a reflection of your dreams, so take your time tweaking it until it feels just right for you. And there you have it. You've now created a personalized vision board using Miro, whether you're using it to map out personal goals or brainstorming for a project. This tool can be an incredibly effective way to visualize your objectives. Feel free to revisit and adjust it as your ambitions and plans evolve. Don't forget to save your work to ensure all your creative efforts are preserved. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel empowered to create a vision board that truly inspires you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of what Miro offers to keep boosting your creativity and productivity. Until next time, happy vision boarding.